Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make this amazing hair butter that would grow your hair, help you grow thicker and longer hair, and this butter is a must try. This butter can also serve as a hair mask as well. You can apply it to your deep conditioner, apply it to your Ayurvedic herbs in order to create this hair mask. So please do well to watch to the end of the video. If you are new here, my name is Muna and my channel is all about natural hair tips and tricks. I share a lot of tips to help you grow that healthy, luscious hair you've ever dreamt of. I also share feminine hygiene tips and also fertility tips for females as well. So please do well to join the family by pressing the red subscription button and do not forget to press the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my video. And also please do give this video a thumbs up as well because it will help me, and do leave a comment below. This will help push me and also help me with the YouTube algorithm. So guys, without further preambles, let's get into the video. Please do not forget to subscribe and join the family. So the first ingredient we are going to be making use of in this hair butter is our carrots. Carrot is rich in vitamin A. Carrots will make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker. Carrots also help in improving blood circulation, which will give your hair the look of healthy 20s and also prevent the growth of gray hair. Carrots also contain a lot of antioxidants along with vitamin C, which also boosts your immune system. Carrots are also widely known to improve hair thickness and also promote growth. The vitamin C and vitamin E in carrots can improve blood circulation in your scalp, thus preventing premature hair graying. So carrot is very beneficial for our hair. So after washing my carrot and also peeling it off, I went ahead now to grate it. So I'm grating my carrot like so, as you can see. Make sure you wash your carrot very well. If you have never tried carrot juice, either carrot juice, carrot oil, or butter, you need to try carrot on your strands. Carrots, they are, especially now that the weather is very sunny, carrot has that SPF quality. Carrots can help protect your hair from the rays of the sun as well. So it's very beneficial. So after grating my carrots, I'm putting it inside now my pot now, like so. Then I'll be going ahead with my olive oil. Olive oil is a very good oil. It contains antifungal property and also antimicrobial property. Olive oil also has the ability to penetrate the hair shaft, and it also helps what to lock in moisture as well. Then the other next oil I'll be adding is my almond oil. Almond is rich in vitamin B7, also known as biotin. Almond helps to keep our hair and nails healthy. It can also help protect our hair from the sun damage because it has an SPF of 5. So these this oil and the carrots as well will help do what? Strengthen our hair, protect our hair, especially in this summertime or hot weather that we are entering. So I've put my oils now and inside the carrot. I mix them together and I'm placing it on low heat in order to do what? Get my carrot oil. So invariably, this is how you can make your carrot oil. Place on low heat and keep stirring like so. So when you see that the color of your oil has changed to that of like looking like orange, the color of the carrot, make sure you put it down. Do not allow it to burn. Then I went ahead now to measure my shea butter. Shea butter contains vitamin A and E with essential fatty acids which are believed to moisture and shine to the hair. Its also non-greasy quality makes it an excellent moisturizer for the hair. It also softens dry brittle hair and repairs split damaged ends as well. And shea butter also has this emoliating quality which helps to do what? To lock in moisture. So that's my carrot oil that I've I've sieved my carrot oil, then I've extracted the oil. That's how the oil is looking. Then I added it to the melted shea butter. I've melted my shea butter, so I've added both the oils and then the melted shea butter. So I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator and allow it to thicken. So after I've left it in the refrigerator for about, I think it's about 20 to 30 minutes, so it's frozen a bit, then I went ahead to use my hand mixer to mix everything together like so. This butter will strengthen your hair. This carrot butter will strengthen your hair, help you grow thicker, luscious hair. Just endeavor to use it at least 3 times a week. Use it on your strands, use it as your sealant also, then you would see the results. It will strengthen your strands and also seal in that moisture, because you know that when your hair is dry, what happens is butter, it will help seal in moisture and protect your hair from surface friction, which will leave your hair moisturized for days and then help you retain length. So now I went ahead now to use my whisk as well. So I'm whisking it so you can see how it's looking like butter, just like ice cream. So I've whisked it now like so. Please do well to watch to the end. I'm going to show you how to properly make use of this butter on hair in order to get the best result. So after whisking my butter like so, I'm transferring it now into my jar. Please make sure that your jar is clean. Please make sure it's transfer it into a clean jar like so. So I'm adding the our carrot hair butter. I'm adding our carrot hair butter now into the clean jar, and this is how it's looking. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Just like ice cream. So this carrot hair butter, you all need to try it if you're having brittle hair, if your hair is thinning out, try this carrot hair butter. And you need, especially now that we are in the summer period, especially now that the weather is getting hot, because very soon we are getting to the hot, the rainy season, getting to the sunny season. Please do well to try this butter on your hair. And this butter cannot is not only meant for the hair, also for the skin. You can use it now like so, very good on the skin as well. So I use it not only for my hair, I also use it also for my skin. So this is a two-in-one butter, hair and skin. This carrot butter is hair and skin. Now this is application time. So after spraying my hair with my hair growth spray, I'll leave the cards up on how to I make the spray that I used, and then I went ahead to apply my leave-in conditioner. After applying my leave-in conditioner on my hair now, so this is basically how I use the butter to seal or to moisturize my hair. Please pay attention to the ends of your hair. Pay attention to the ends of your hair. That's very important. Pay attention to the ends of your hair. So after applying my leave-in conditioner like so, try to finger detangle your hair in order to remove shed hair. Try to do some finger detangling so that you remove the shed hair. And then I've already applied the butter already. And then after applying my butter, I've applied the butter already. After applying the leave-in conditioner, I went ahead to apply the hair butter. So I'm twisting up my hair. I'm twisting up my hair like so. So I left my hair in loose twists. I like doing the loose twists. So twisting up my hair. After applying my leave-in conditioner, I went ahead to seal up with this carrot hair growth butter. This butter will leave your hair moisturized for days. If you're having issues with dry hair, brittle hair, frizzy hair, and you're having issues with leaving your hair moisturized for days, then you need to try this carrot hair butter. Not only for your hair as well, you can also use it for your skin at the same time. So carrot has a whole lot of benefits. Carrots will make your hair stronger, longer, and also thicker at the same time. So after twisting, when I got to the end, I reapplied more butter at the for the ends of my hair because they are the oldest part of our hair and they need that more TLC. So I'm through applying the butter. I'm through moisturizing and sealing my hair with a carrot hair butter, as you can see. Please guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to leave a comment below. Let me know if you've ever tried carrot in any way and how did you use it. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video of how I make this carrot hair moisturizing butter, please do sealing butter, please do well to like this video, and also leave a comment below. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you have ever tried using carrot oil or carrot butter on your hair. So thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Until I see you guys next time, stay safe and stay fabulous. Bye.